Good afternoon to our respected judges, all the faculty members, and dear students. Myself Rajesh Pandya and my colleague Yash Shah. We are from SYBCA. Today I will and in detail my friend Yash Shah will explain.
Hello friends, my friends told you about what is our topic. My topic is embedded system. First of all, I'm giving you deep knowledge about the Microsoft Surface. First of all, I'm introducing you what is Microsoft Surface. Microsoft Surface is a forthcoming multi-technology which is used a hardware and software combination. It allows a single user and a multi-user to manipulate their digital content by their natural motions. Now let's we see the quick about the which we are going to see. Now first we see history about the Microsoft Surface, then we see specification of the Microsoft Surface, then we see usage of the Microsoft Surface, and lastly we see the features of the Microsoft Surface. Now I'm telling you about the history first. Microsoft Surface has at least 25 years history, beginning at 1982. The working being done at University of Toronto and Bell Labs. The idea of the Microsoft Surface is initially conceptualized in 2001 by Stephen Bennett of Microsoft Hardware Department and Andy Variance from Microsoft Research Department. Now, in 2003, the team will present the idea of the Microsoft Surface to the Microsoft chairman, Bill Gates. Now, in 2005, the final hardware design is completed. In May 29, 2007, the whole Microsoft Surface is launched at D5 conference. In 2007, first few companies who uses the Microsoft Surface first time. This includes RS Entertainment Industry, Starwood Hotel and Resorts Worldwide, and International Game Technology. Now we see the specification of the Microsoft Surface. As you see, the whole Microsoft Surface is divided into 4 parts. The first part is known as the screen, is looked here. Then second is infrared, third is the CPU, and fourth one is the projector. Now about screen. So the screen is now about screen. The Microsoft Surface provide a screen with multi-touch, in which we can touches of the object multiple. Means we can use both. In our computer we have only one cursor, so we can use only one object. But in a Microsoft Surface we can use multiple objects at the same time. And the screen is the screen is a 22-inch wide, 21-inch high, and 42-inch deep. Now about the infrared. Infrared is here there. When the user touches on the screen, the light reflects back and catches by the 3 different cameras. Looks here, here, and here. These are the 3 cameras. Now about the CPU. The Microsoft Surface CPU uses 4 video processor, 2 GB of RAM, and 256 MB of graphics card. Now projector. The projector uses same as other projector use a light beam as a reflect light, and here Microsoft also use the same projector. Now it practically looks like here, like this. In practically Microsoft Surface computer is look like this. Now about the features of the Microsoft Surface. Microsoft Surface provide 4 main features. First is direct interaction. In computer we want to use any object, then we have to use mouse or keyboard, but in this we directly touches on the object to access it. And next is multi-touch contact, in which we can more than 2 people can access the Microsoft Surface. In this 52 touches at the same time we can touch. It means that 10 hands can use the Microsoft Surface at the same time. Now about the multi-user experience, in this we can use a multiple users. So more than 2 person can use this surface at the same time. Now non-digital object. It means with the help of normal paintbrush we can draw the picture on the computer. non-digital object. Microsoft Surface allows a non-digital object as an input drive. Now, what is the usage of the Microsoft Surface? The first usage of the Microsoft Surface is useful to transfer data from one mobile to another mobile. Now, second one is drawing the picture. It is also useful for drawing the pictures. It is also useful for playing the game. It is also useful for writing the simple messages. As a notepad I am writing, that's right. Like this, sorry. And playing the entertainment and so on. Now about the conclusion. The Microsoft Surface is also known as a tabletop computer, and the technology behind the Microsoft Surface is known as a multi-touch technology. About price. The Microsoft Surface price is about $7,000 to $10,000. If you want to count in Indian rupees, then its price is 3,50,000 rupees to 4,50,000 rupees. Right now, it is the Microsoft Surface computer is used in out of India's countries like USA, UK, Australia. But because of its high price, it is not favorable to the Indian people to use this Microsoft Surface. Next, these are the members from where I'm take the guide and do this presentation. Next. And these all are the reference from where we get the information. Thank you.